Today we prove our worthiness with a Mjolnir sound effect. Hey sound guys and girls, I'm Jimmy Hepworth, your Saturday sound guy. Now Thor's hammer Mjolnir is almost a character of its own. It has a very distinct personality. So today we're going to take a crack at a Mjolnir type sound effect. But to do that, we're going to need some help. So in honor of Thor Ragnarok coming out this November, I decided to try a Thor's hammer type sound effect. So for these cheesy little pass-bys, I really only have 4 sounds. The first sound here is a military jet. If I solo that, you can hear what that sounds like. Okay. Pretty simple. The next one is just a car pass by. Gives us a nice little Doppler whoosh. The next one is very interesting. It is pink noise that I played on my cell phone and then passed it across the microphone to get this sound. Very cool little whoosh there. Okay. And finally, I rang a glass bowl like a bell to get this sound here. Now to get that Doppler style effect, I use this plugin right here from Waves. It's called Doppler. And this does everything we need for a Doppler effect. It controls the gain or the volume, as well as the pitch shift and panning. And all together they sound like this. Okay, pretty simple. Now if you don't have this plugin and you want to learn how to do a Doppler shift with basic plugins that you can find in pretty much any DAW, go ahead and click the card. I've got another video on how I used a Doppler shift in a Star Wars ship sound effect. To get the sound of the hammer being called back into my hand, like this, we start with that same glass bowl that we rang like a bell. And all we do is we reverse it. To do that in Pro Tools, I come up here to Audio Suite, down to Other, and then to Reverse. And then I just render that out and I get this. Now, if you do that with a couple of different sized glass bowls and mix them all together, we have our main sound. Now, I would be surprised if this isn't exactly what the sound designers over at Marvel are doing for Thor's hammer. They may not be using a glass bowl, but they are probably using some kind of bell tone that they are putting in reverse. A very cool but super simple sound effect for Thor's hammer. Thanks for watching. If you have a sound effect you'd like me to try, go ahead and leave me a note in the comments section down below.